Hey guys, it's just me, listening to the thunder, watching the lightning, and it's pretty fun. You won't be able to see any of the lightning, but you'll hear the thunder, because I'm going to put you face down on my lap, so my phone doesn't get ruined by the rain. Literally, it knocked over my bike. I might keep it like this. See if we can see any lightning today on camera. I know it's done before, but it's not fun to see lightning. And yes, I don't really care if I get to work. Kind of. I have a legit sweater on and everything, so it was so active earlier. I don't know why it's not anymore. I guess it's done for today. If I don't see any in a couple of minutes, I'll stop the video. I might not even upload because of none. I know there's only one of you. I am happy that you have subscribed, but I would love some more subscribers. I know you guys I hate my voice on camera. It's so high pitched, like an immature child. Literally, it was going really, so much, but you can't see it anymore. I'm sad that it's not like that anymore. Well, yeah, there's nothing here. Ooh. I wonder where my cat is. Now it's raining harder. You can kind of tell that it's raining. I did try to go live, but I was unable to, so it's because I have to update my YouTube. Whatever, but not a lot of more action. I bet you if I turn off this camera, it's just going to play, do more and more lightning. So, see ya. Stay cheesy.